everybody, Tony with Referral Auto Group. I want to take the time to personally invite you to our upcoming workshop seminar, The Educated Buyer Arming You for the Journey Ahead. We've done many of these and they're well received. This is going to take place on December 9th here at our facility at 1444 First Street in Escalon, California. From 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., coffee and donuts are served. This is a completely free event with no pressure. We do not promote ourselves, but we're going to cover a lot of topics not only the first-time buyer can benefit from, but even the repeat offender. We hear many times that, hey, I never even thought of that. So we're going to cover stuff like finding your tow specs, getting them accurately, nothing worse than buying an RV you can't tow. Camping styles, whether you dry camp, have full hookups, and how that dictates what you want to buy. We're also going to cover fifth wheel versus travel trailer. A lot of people say, what should I have? Everyone's got that guru that's telling them what you need. We're going to enable you to make that decision on your own. We also go over financing, different types, different lenders, what the underwriters are looking for, and how to get the best financing for you out there, whether it's through the dealer or out on your own. Warranties. A lot of people have questions surrounding warranties. A lot of people say that they're horrible and they don't want them. We're going to show you the benefit to them and how to choose the right company. And we're also going to show you how to navigate the current market. Our economy is a little bit different right now, but it can be very beneficial to the buyer if they treat it right. So come on out and check us out. Don't keep us a secret. If this isn't for you, please send a friend or both of you come. You don't have to want to buy now. It could be in the future. We'll just get you ready. This is designed to arm you against that high-pressure sales guy that doesn't want to educate you. They just want to push you into a unit. This is going to give you the power and the knowledge to get the right RV for you and your family. Again, December 9th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. We're serving coffee and donuts. It's 100% free. It's here at our facility at 1444 First Street in Escalon, California in the front building indoor showroom. Please RSVP by calling 209-404-2200 at extension 102. That's my direct extension. Or directly email me at Tony, T-O-N-Y, at referralautogroup.com. That's R-E-F-E-R-R-A-L, autogroup.com. You'll get an autoresponder when it goes through. And I'd love to see you there. Have some fun, eat some coffee and donuts, and educate you to get that right trailer for you. Thank you.